Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to create a TikTok playlist. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Then, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, tap on Business Suite to check for the playlist option. If you don't find it, go back to the menu and tap on the three lines in the top right corner again. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Look for the playlist option. If you can't find it, tap on Report a Problem. Then tap on Playback Performance, and if the playlist option isn't there, try typing playlist in the search bar. If it appears, report the problem. If you still can't find it, tap on Creation and select Other. Then tap on Other again and choose Need More Help. Finally, type your message, "I want my playlist on TikTok. Kindly help me." Once done, submit your report. TikTok will assist you with your request. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.